everyone, welcome back to J Rental Properties. If you are looking the spacious and well collected 3 BHK flat for rent in Mahadevapura, Bangalore, this is maybe the perfect home for you. Let's take a tour. Come, we stepped into the great spacious and well lit living area, perfect for relaxing with your family and hosting the guests. Just look at the ventilation. Overall flat, you have very great ventilation in this flat. In this flat, you have 2 living space. Both are very spacious. Just look at the windows. This is your one more living space, and right side you have your bedroom. And this bedroom you have attached restroom and wardrobes. And restrooms you have geysers. Just look at the space. You have very big windows in this bedroom. Not only in this bedroom, overall 3 bedrooms you have very big windows for the good ventilation. And this flat very close to Bagmati Tech Park, via Mall, Phoenix Mall, Single Mile Metro Station, KRPuram Railway Station and more hypermarket. Then ambience like lift, parking for both 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler, gym, swimming pool, party hall, children's play area and 24/7 water supply. In this flat you have 3 bedrooms, 3 balconies, 3 restrooms and 2 living spaces. Overall flat you have very good ventilation. And this is your beautiful modern kitchen with storage space and sink. And you have attached beautiful balcony. This is your second balcony. And 24/7 backup facility and 24/7 security available. Each and every bathrooms you have geysers. And this is your one more bedroom with great ventilation. Just look at the space. In this bedroom also you have beautiful wardrobes. Come, let's check the third bedroom. This is our third bedroom. It's all well maintained. And this bedroom you have attached beautiful balcony. Just look at the view. Overall flat you have very super ventilation. If anyone interested, just contact the number or WhatsApp the number. Okay guys, thanks for watching our video. See you again. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Tata, bye.